Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a drawing grid maker. First, understand that a grid is a powerful tool for artists of all levels. It breaks down any reference image into smaller, more manageable squares, making it much easier to reproduce accurately. This method significantly improves your ability to capture correct proportions and perspectives, transforming challenging drawings into achievable steps. We will explore both physical and digital approaches to creating your own grid. For a manual grid, begin by carefully measuring and marking equal intervals along all four edges of your reference photo. A common size is 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter squares, but adjust this based on your image size. Next, use a ruler and a light pencil to connect these marks, creating a precise grid over your image. Repeat this process on your drawing paper, ensuring the same number of squares. This physical grid provides a clear guide for transferring your image square by square. Creating a digital grid is often quicker and offers more flexibility. Numerous free online tools and mobile applications allow you to upload your reference image and automatically overlay a grid. You can easily specify the exact number of rows and columns, and even customize the grid line thickness and color for optimal visibility. Once generated, you can print the gridded image or work directly from your digital device, making it a versatile option for artists. To use your grid effectively, concentrate on drawing one square at a time, carefully observing and reproducing the shapes and lines within each corresponding square. Begin with light sketches, gradually building up your drawing. Periodically step back from your work to assess the overall proportions and composition, ensuring everything aligns correctly. Once your drawing is complete and you are satisfied, gently erase the grid lines, leaving behind your accurate artwork.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.